Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make charming crab art and craft. First, let's gather our supplies. You will need some colorful paper, perhaps in bright reds or oranges, along with a pair of safety scissors and some craft glue. Having a pencil for tracing and a ruler for straight lines can also be very helpful. Make sure your crafting area is clear and ready for some creative fun. Now let's bring our crab to life. Begin by cutting a large circle from your chosen paper. This will form the main body. Next, cut out 8 long, narrow strips for the legs, ensuring they are roughly 2 to 3 inches long. For the iconic claws, cut 2 slightly larger, more intricate shapes. Remember, you can always sketch these shapes lightly with a pencil before cutting to ensure accuracy. With all your pieces ready, it is time for assembly. Carefully glue the 8 legs to the underside of the main body circle, spacing them out evenly. Then, attach the 2 prominent claws to the front, giving your crab its characteristic look. For a touch of personality, glue on a pair of googly eyes, or simply draw them on with a marker. You can also add a small smile. To complete your crab, consider adding some fun embellishments. A sprinkle of glitter or a few sequins can make your crab truly sparkle. Once dry, you can mount your crab onto a larger piece of blue paper to simulate the ocean, or even attach a string to hang it. Your handmade crab art is now ready to be admired, a testament to your creative efforts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.